Hello everyone. Um, this is my fifth video basically. My previous video, the introduction to the auto algorithm, the automated algorithm also, I'm gonna split it up basically just to show you one segment of this thing, and it's gonna show you guys that I've really done it. Yeah, I've cracked the code. So just to show you, I've got two parts running, or there's two parts in this algorithm. You've got your autodex and your autodox side. So this is basically on the movements, how it works. It's your up and down, it's basically your autodex, and then your crossway, that's your orthodox. Now, the crossway works basically with nature and that life. So time travels through this like that. So I don't want to go into sciencey about it, but I can definitely show you guys something very amazing just through a calculator. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to crack the code for the birds. Guys, this is quite sensitive. I am dead sure I've got it, so don't tamper with it. It's like nature's coding, I can say. And we can use it in, but yeah, let me just carry on. Guys, so as you get birds, they flock to basically on the trees and that, and the situation that they need to position themselves. Now, guys, just the positioning. Have a look at this and try to imagine which bird is what side. So remember the quadrants. Let's have a go. Check the lights on the PC and remember to have a look at the numbers that I'm typing. You can see the repetition, especially over here. This is like the middle pin. You can cross any which way you want to go. I'll show it on a later video maybe. Let's carry on. There we go. So, not done. We need to close it. Ooh, I love this row. There we go. Now, the way they chirp, they always chirp in threes or so, like a coding, but it's always sounding like the same. But does it? Have a look at this, guys, and just imagine. Oh, and if you're gonna hear the birds from now on, you're probably gonna see it. So, guys, don't tamper with this, please. And if you do, I will know, cause why? They travel quite far, and I'll be listening in threes. Let's have a look any which way. I don't. Let's just take one row, just one row. It's going to be easier because my finger gets hot. It's quite fast, so have a look. 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm going to the minus. Why? Oh, that's why. Minus. I don't want to. Ah, there we go. Okay, so just clear it. Sometimes these things can't take these calculations that quick. So let's go. Minus, why? Oh, something is stopping me. Not today, not today. Clear. Come on. Let's retry. I'm gonna do this. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, it's happening. Concentration, guys. It's so hard doing this. You feel your brain is tingling in a way that you never actually imagined. Come on. Yeah. Nailed it. There we go, guys. And let's try this. you know when you're on the right path. There we go. Oh, I could have done it any which way there. Yay! I'm winning you. Gotcha. Okay, guys. So, what I've shown you is basically the whole shebang of it. Now, I'm the good guy. I'm not the bad guy. So be glad the good guy found this. And guys, you won't believe it. This opened a gate and I could have thrown it into it. It would take me, the first video would have been 1.4 or 140 minutes or so, or 1 minute and 40 seconds, and the other one would be 52 seconds or so. And that would have been done, guys. You would have gone bonkers. But it's not today. Guys, I've got the answer. I found it. And please, guys, don't tamper with the birds. I'm just giving you the one section. There's a lot of things that runs into it. Like you got forbidden roads that you can't take onto it. Guys, I've unlocked the whole thing. And one thing I really want to do is ping this internet, guys. Because I can. You won't believe what I can do with just this.